Hi, in this video we are going to see two things, paragraph tag and how to link other websites in our website. So we are going to see that. So first I want to actually close this sidebar, so I can actually drag it and close it. And now I will write a paragraph tag. For paragraph tag, it is simple. You just have to write P and it is a paragraph tag. You can write paragraphs here. You can write multiple paragraphs with multiple tag. If I just generate some text, you can do that by typing lorem, and you will say how many word you want. So I will say I want 20 words and I will hit enter, and it actually generated 20 words of paragraph. And I can save it, and I already opened on the live server. So I will just now go to browser. This is a paragraph. You can have a long paragraph. If I go code, and I can also take another tag, paragraph tag, and if I just type P and hit enter, and then I'll say lorem, this will be like 200 words of paragraph. I can generate the paragraph here. So it actually generating a dummy paragraph for me. And if I save it now and go to the browser, this is the second paragraph. So this one the first paragraph, and this one is the second paragraph. This is the use of paragraph tag. You can actually like do as many paragraph as you want. There is no limit. I can say also I can say lorem, this time 300 words of paragraph. I saved it, and if I go to the browser, and then I can see the third paragraph here, and the second one is here. So this is the paragraph. To write some paragraph things, you can write some articles. If you want to write, you can insert them into paragraph. And we actually have learned the heading text in the previous video, so we can actually also use that heading text. We actually can write heading like I take heading 3 for example. I can say this is the third paragraph. If I now go to the page, this is the heading text, and this is the paragraph. And also I can do the same here. If I say with h3, this one is the second paragraph, then this is the second paragraph. And also I can say this will be first paragraph. Okay, so this one the first, this one the second, and this one the third. So this is the main thing of paragraph tag. There is nothing more to learn. And there is one more thing we actually want to learn in this video is I'll actually remove everything from here, and or we can actually keep them. And if I go down, and we actually want to how to link other websites in our websites, so we can do that by, there is a tag called anchor tag, and that is represented by A, and we can actually type A and press enter. This will give a anchor tag. Here in the href we will provide the link of the page, and here in the tag, here in the tag, inside in the tag, we'll type where we actually what text we want to actually show. So first we can say Google, we can say Google, and we actually have to put the link here. So I will actually go to the browser, and I'll just search Google, and I'll copy the link from here with HTTPS. Okay, I'll just copy it, and I'll go to the code and paste it here. This is called attributes. You can actually pass attributes to the tags by like this, and anchor tag has a tag attribute called href where you will pass a link of the website where actually you want to go, and the text will show Google. If I actually save it now and go to this website, and here you can see a text called Google, and if I click it, it will take me to the Google, okay, Google websites. So I actually have come back, and I can also change the text here if I want to. This is other website, I can say also this is another website from internet. You can make it as long as you want. Okay, so this is actually, if I now click here, it will also like take me to the Google. And there is one more thing. If we actually want to open this link in another tab, we can do that by passing another attribute called target, and we have 4 things here: blank, parent, self, top. You can actually pass any of this, whatever you like. If I pass the blank one, then if I click here, it will open a new tab and there will be the website. Okay, so if we also pass some like top, if we actually pass the top one, if we now click here, and this is the same tab, so you can see them by coming here. If you come here, and this is the HTML links, so this is the link and the tag hyperlinks. HTML links are hyperlinks, so you can click on a link and jump to another document by this anchor tag. This is a tag, so here you will be pass the URL and it will be the link text. And if I go to the attribute section, target attribute, and we have blank for opening a page in new tab, and also we have this for you have seen that top opens the document in the full body of the window, parent opens the document in the parent frame, and self is default. It is actually default opens the document in the same window tab as it was clicked. Okay, so there are more things like, but the main thing is using our anchor tag and the attribute target. Okay, this is the main thing. Like you can actually put the anchor tag inside into a p tag, and we can also do that if we want. Okay, so if we actually do that, if I go to the code and show you that we actually learned headings, so I will take h2 a heading, and I will also take a anchor tag in here, and I will pass the Google website again for example, and I will say now, I will say take me to the Google. Okay, if I now save it, you will go, and this is actually looking like a h2, but there are some colors, and you can say underline, it has some underline and color. So if I now click it, it will take me to Google, and also I can pass the attribute called target. Target will be blank. Okay, it will open it in a new tab. So if I go it, you can see that. So this is everything about paragraph and link, and this is everything you need to know. Okay, see you in the next video.